Hey, welcome everyone. Last year I was at the track and I had a bike incident where a rider hit me on the left side of my bike, so I was able after that source out some used bike parts, and they came in different colors, so especially the two fairing here, one was red, one was white. The red was already red, and I decided to do some paint correction and bumper detail. But the main thing here is I was able to paint this design on my new fairing with rattle cans and 2K clear. All I used was the Rustoleum 2X Ultra white and the green color here, and I basically after that cleared with this 2K clear that I bought online, and it gave the paint job a very nice and professional looking finish, and I can't believe how well it came out. And I just want to show you guys the process I went through to put this design on the fairing from start to finish. These had a little scuff on them. I had to do some body work to it, but it wasn't like bad, just minor scuff. But yeah, it came out really good. I'm glad it worked out for me. So I think anybody out there with a damaged motorcycle, plastic like this, can repair and repaint it for less than 40 bucks. Here, the way the bike looked before, it came with some aftermarket bodywork that says 1098, and the red didn't match the bike, so this was a good reason for me to update everything. So I went into Photoshop and did 3 different layouts. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you.